What is this? Oh my God. What happened? Who did this to you?
The hunter. It was the hunter.
But why did he do this?
Because I'm a wolf.
Did you attack him?
No, I didn't.
How did you scare him?
No, I didn't.
And why did he do this? I don't understand.
Because I'm a wolf.
I'll try to heal you. I'll try to heal you so you don't lose blood. Will you be able to overcome it?
Yes, because I'm a wolf.
I think that's it. It will work.
Yes.
You'll get out of this. Oh, you bit me. I'm hurt. Oh,
Yes.
no. Why did you bit me? Do you want to kill me?
Because I'm a wolf. I try to live with what's left of me. I regret some of the decisions I've made. Although I am a wolf. And this is the land of wolves.